Wow, I should have told you I was from Nepal, eh? Look at that. Yes, there's an entrance. Entrance only for Hindus. Photographers. Trying some Juju Dhau yogurt.
Yeah. This is like a expensive
Okay. It's really like an old city, this area, Patan. It's really got that nice rustic coloring, old structures, nice little temples and houses and everything. Dai, one ticket please.
Where are you from?
Somalia.
Somalia, 1,000 rupees.
Wow, I should have told you I was from Nepal, eh? Next time. So there was a huge earthquake that rattled Kathmandu, Nepal area and whatnot. This was back in 2017, I believe so. And you can still see a lot of the damages. Oh, that's the museum. Let's go. But yeah, you can definitely see all the damages that it caused back then. But let's go through this museum and check it out. I hope that's the ticket. Oh, so I can only come in here one time, is it? Oh. Okay, you only get... Okay, let me just go around. So it looks like you only get one time entrance in each place?
Yeah.
That's okay. I guess you gotta make the most of it. Stay, that's cool. It's like there's
up also we can go.
We can go up?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that. It looks like there's a cool wedding sort of photography happening over there. And even the military dude's got a nice camera over there. That's really cool. I mean, it is a very photographic area, really.
We can explore this spot and then we can go up.
Oh, it's more than one story. Look at that. Let's go. I wonder if you can go going up this sort of... Oh yes.
One round.
Oh yeah, we'll go this way.
Yeah, inside there is God.
Inside?
Yeah, there is God, they worship the God.
But you can't go inside, eh? Can you? You can't? Okay. Oh, yes, there's an entrance. Entrance only for Hindus. Photography and leather goods prohibited. Not a problem. I'll go in there. That's pretty interesting. Photography and leather goods not prohibited. I guess the leather is because it's like, I don't know, I can't explain to you. Bye. How come it says no leather inside? Is that like a Hindu thing where you can't have leather inside the temple?
Yeah, Hindu.
But why can't you have leather?
Leather?
Yeah.
Inside because it's against the culture.
Right, okay, so it's like slaughtering the animal and stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh right, acha. And you gotta take off your shoes, it looks like, as well. Alright, just gonna walk around and go down this way. Oh, just have a look at this view, eh? Namaste guys. Cool. Going to the top, gonna get some lunch. Nice view as well of Patan Square. Oh, sick man. This is like a really good spot. What's this? Chatamari. What's
like more, you know, this like dosa. Dosa in Indian food.
Yeah, I've known this.
Same, but more like Newari, Nepali style.
Right, and is it big? Is it like a big plate or small?
Yeah.
Big thing?
Yeah.
Might give that a try. Veg chatamari. One veg tamari and another lassi. So I got my veg chatamari. Chatamari.
And this is mixed noodle.
Mixed noodles. Is that like sort of like chow mein? Almost?
Chow mein, yeah.
Chow mein. Buff chow mein.
This is buff, this is chicken and egg.
Oh right. So you can get, yeah, like you said, a mixed noodle. I guess. Bismillah.
One of the Newari.
That's right. It is slightly spicy, but it's really nice. It's actually got.
Yeah. They make here.
What is it? Handmade local food?
Handmade local food by the Newari people. This Patan Durbar is very famous for Newari people, and here you can find some yogurt. The yogurt I talk about, you remember?
Oh,
One in the pot.
The one that starts with D?
You want to try one? Yeah.
What's it called?
It's called Juju Dhau.
Juju Dhau. Okay.
You want to try one?
Yeah, let's try one. Why not?
Like Juju Dhau say.
Trying some Juju Dhau yogurt.
So I ordered two.
Acha.
Duita got
It was very dark in here. Okay, yeah.
Local shop. Yeah.
So this is
Yogurt. It's called Juju Dhau.
Juju Dhau.
Juju Dhau, yeah.
Okay.
It's made with the local Nepali curd.
Curd. What's curd?
Yeah, yogurt.
Ah, right.
Yeah. It's called dahi in Nepali.
Dahi, no.
Dahi, yeah. Bhaktapur dahi, yeah. Yeah. This is like a expensive yogurt
Right. Okay.
compared to others.
Right.
Yeah, you can taste.
Taste it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Give me a second. I got no hands right now.
Right, yeah.
Cool. So give this a shot. See how it goes. Not a big fan of yogurt, but you know, we'll see how this goes. It's all natural, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called Juju Dhau.
Juju Dhau.
Juju Dhau, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's really sweet. Not
Yeah.
really sweet, but that's sweet.
This is healthy sweet.
Oh, this is really nice.
And this is different than other yogurt.
Wow, it's not bad.
Yeah.
You can drink it. It's not
Yeah,
too
this
thick.
is one of the local cuisine of Nepal.
Right. Okay. Right. Newari.
Newari, yeah.
Whoa, this is not bad. This
Yeah.
is not bad. Just have a look at that. It's sort of like,
Yeah.
it's like, it's liquidy enough that you can just slurp it and drink it, but it's thick enough to be still like a smoothie level and above, you know, not just like, you know, liquidy and whatnot. It's really, really nice. It's it still has that yogurt taste because that's what it is, but it's sweet. It's pretty much sweet yogurt, really. And
That's
it's made
right.
from buff
Yeah.
milk.
This?
Yeah.
This comes from cow milk.
Cow milk. Okay.